Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Messages, open a conversation and tap the app drawer to reveal Apple Pay. Once there, select the Apple Pay icon and sign in with your Apple ID if prompted. This links your identity. Make sure a supported card is already in Wallet and two-factor authentication is active because Apple Cash requires verification. As you do this, watch for prompts to set up Apple Cash, tap to continue. After confirming basic details, you're ready for the next step in the send flow. Now, enter the amount using the Messages Apple Pay keypad. You can type a number or pick a preset like $5 or $20. Once the amount is set, add an optional note so the recipient knows what it's for. Next, tap Pay, don't send yet, and review the funding source. Select Apple Cash or a linked card. When everything looks right, confirm with Face ID or Touch ID. This step authorizes the transfer. Make sure you see the green confirmation before leaving the screen. Finish by tapping the send arrow and watching for the transaction bubble to show delivered. That confirms the payment left your device. Once sent, open Wallet to verify the Apple Cash balance updated. If you're the recipient, request the sender check their confirmation. If something goes wrong, first verify your Apple ID and two-factor settings, then confirm the card in Wallet is valid and your cellular or Wi-Fi connection is stable. If errors persist, sign out and back into iCloud.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.